Today we will talk about one very interesting topic, that is public and private IP address. Did you ever think about this, that why does your phone, laptop and Wi-Fi, they all have different IPs, but the internet always seem to see only the one IP address for them. Are you aware why does that happen? This happens all because of one of the reasons, that's the IP address. Whenever you talk about the phone, the laptop, or the smart TV that you have, every such device will have one associated IP address with it. So, what is an IP address? It is the logical address of any smart device which is on the internet. So, the data can come to this device, or you can send the data out from this device on the internet. So, how does this happen? To understand that, let's say that at your home you have a router which is providing you the internet facility. With the help of that internet facility, all your laptop, phone, TV, or as a matter of fact, any smart device which you may have, it will be given with one IP address. For example, in this case, the laptop has the IP address 192.168.1.5. Same way, there is one IP address assigned to this phone, and TV also does have one IP address associated with it. And as you can see, these three different IP addresses are assigned to these devices by the router. However, whenever the request will go out over the internet, so all these, they all are part of one single network. So all these and that IP address will become invisible to the internet. These different IP addresses will not be visible to the internet. The internet will only be seeing just one IP address. What type of address is it? What do we call it? That I'll talk about in a little while. Now let's first of all understand that what is the meaning of this. Let's say that you have a house and that house consists of multiple rooms, and those rooms are numbered as room 101, 102, 203. Internally you are aware that this room number 101 is different from that of 102, 203 is different from the other two rooms. For the entire world, you are belonging to the same network. They are not aware that whether the request is coming from 192.168.1.5 or .9 or .12. For all of them, you are a single entity. Now, internet, that is done with the help of public IP address. So what is an public IP address? To understand that, again, let's take an example for this house. Let's say this house is there on a particular lane in a particular city in a particular country. Now, this house will have one address associated with it. For the outside world, this house has the address as 123 and internet street. It is there on a particular street named as Internet Street, and its house number is 123. For the outside world, this house is with this address. However, internally, this particular house may have 10 rooms, 5 rooms, and all those rooms will be named with the help of different room numbers, right? Those different room numbers, whatever room numbers you have used for your own convenience inside the house, they have nothing to do with the people who are outside this house. For them, you are 123 Internet Street, that's it. So, whenever you are talking about this with respect to the internet and the networking devices, who provides you with this public IP address? So, whenever you are given with a particular IP address to a particular house, so let's say that in your house you have a router. Now, this router was used to provide the different IP addresses to different devices. So, this ISP is Internet Service Provider. There are multiple internet service providers which are available. These internet service providers will be providing the IP address to all the people, all the households who are looking for or who are seeking the services for internet. So they'll be providing with one public IP address to this router. Now this router further will be responsible for assigning the IP addresses to all the devices within this house. So this IP address is called as a public IP address, which is like the recognition of a particular house on the internet. So then why only one single public IP address, and how it is done? It is done with the concept called as the NAT, which translates to Network Address Translation. So what is network address translation? Whenever there will be one request generated from one device within a same network that is forwarded to the router, now that router will be forwarding that request further to the other side of the internet. Now, if this is your home, from this home, if your laptop is generating any request, this request will go to the router. Here, this router will rewrite the IP address which was assigned to your laptop with one public address which is provided to you by the ISP. Now, this rewriting or this translation of one IP address to the another form is called the network address translation. And after doing the translation from the private IP address to the public IP address, this request will go further over the internet. Same way, whenever the reply for this will come back, again the reverse process will be followed, where your IP address again will come to the router. Router will check out the network address translation table and see who had generated that request. It will be remapped back, and the request reply will again go back to the laptop who requested for it. So that is how your address is local and it is hidden from the outside world. This is used only for the local communication within the same network. So, however, whenever the communication has to take place, there is supposed to be a coordination between the public IP address and the private IP address with the help of the concept called as netting, that is network address translation. This will help you understand that how does public and private IP addresses work. Along with that, whenever this mapping happens, this mapping will lead to the security of a network. It will make the networks more efficient, and there will be always encryption of the data that is happening between private and the public IP address. So nobody will be aware that who is generating those requests. They will only be aware that there is one public IP address who is sending those requests. Behind this public IP address which you are using, there may be one device, there up to multiple devices can be there. They all will be mapped with the help of the concept of called, it will be mapped with the help of the concept of netting. So that is all about public IP addresses and the private IP addresses. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.